The Photopea Course is a set of 3 series of lessons based on using a free online Photoshop-like program. The lessons are structured in order. Easier steps lead to higher skill levels. Task sequences let you learn and progress from basic Photopea skills to mastering complex artwork. The structure allows you to join any course depending on individual skill level. You'll become familiar with using Photopea tools and filters. You will get your hands on editing and transforming images, and understand the importance of structuring your work process through practicing and creating final pieces. The course offers exciting ideas that provide opportunities for learners' individual and creative approaches to tasks. Each set of lessons guides to creating a final big project that sums up acquired knowledge and progress. Each subsequent project is more challenging. Following audio and visual instructions allows you to work at your own pace, manage your own time, and review or repeat any task at any time. At the end of the course, you will have several fully completed original artworks created by yourselves. This Photopea course was designed for the Vancouver Animated School. Order your original course or any number of video lessons.